Hi everyone, it's Jessica. Today we're doing a coffee table wood revival. This salvage piece needs a lot of TLC. I'm going to start by just sanding everything down to the raw wood using a low grit sandpaper. And look how beautiful the wood that was hiding under there. I'm going to use a folded piece of scrap sandpaper to manually reach any hard areas to get to with my electric sander. For a final smooth finish, I recommend a high grit sandpaper. 400 or above is good. And for the sides that are hard to reach, I will just leave it like this. It will add character. Now I'm going to start working on my top here with a stain accelerator, and it does exactly that. Once I apply my stain, it's going to accelerate the absorbing into the wood grain, and you're going to see now with my ebony stain, I rub it on and then wipe it back, and the grain is just going to come to the surface so beautifully. So this stain accelerator really does amazing with stains. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of a sheen with this bronze enamel that I'm going to put a link to in my video description, just to detail along the edges of this table, just for a little bit of a glamorous detail, that's all. And I just love how it looks with the wood grain. Now I am going to highlight with antiquing wax the legs. This is just going to be a little bit more of a rich dark finish that the wax is going to give the legs. It will also protect it. Now to seal the rest of the table, I'm going to use clear wax, and I just love this finishing wax. It is non-toxic, it smells delicious, and look at how beautifully it's bringing everything together now that it's stained, and all of the natural wood is just coming out marvelously. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more fun renovations.